What's going on, guys? It's your boy Crazy Drunk 53, and today I'm joined here by
Jack Storm.
And today we're going to be doing British guys reacting to what was it again?
Bulgarian snacks.
By the way, I'm not British. I come from West Africa, but I've lived here for like 9 years. What are you?
I'm Bulgarian, so this is not for me. This is for you.
Oh, we're both going to be trying it.
No, I don't have two of everything.
So we can split it.
Okay, sure then. Choose one. Pick one out of the bag. Do not look. Bruh.
What is this
Okay,
one?
so this is called a medinki. It's basically like,
Okay.
I don't know how to explain, just try it.
Is this a cookie?
No.
Chocolate cake.
Kinda. Try it.
Split it.
Okay then.
Just gotta take it.
As you can see, the inside, what it looks like.
It looks so fluffy. No.
Yeah,
Soft.
okay.
It's soft.
Guess what flavor?
Cinnamon.
Kinda.
Gin. I can't tell.
There is cinnamon, but the main flavor is supposed to be honey.
I can't really taste it.
Okay then.
Just
Try
shove
find
it
out.
inside.
Good sign out.
Out of 10, I'd rate that 7.
I don't really like it, so I'll rate it
Good.
5. Not really.
What is this?
Basically, these are cubetti, and they're like, they're basically dry bread, flavored dry bread.
Okay. Is this a tomato?
That's ketchup. It's ketchup flavored. There's a lot of flavors.
Are the different colours? Oh!
So basically,
Ketchup.
this is what they look like. It's like tiny cubes.
Ketchup.
Out of 10, what would you rate it?
9.
I'm not eating this.
This is nice. You can keep on this
A
side.
9. I'll give it a 9 too.
I have to shake it off. It's not like they're going anywhere. Oh, I tried this yesterday. It's like a wafer with nuts.
Well, this is kind of dumb then. This is called Slocco. Did you know that?
That's an S.
Yeah.
That's an L.
Yeah. Okay, oh.
Okay.
And this is basically a wafer.
Actually, no. You know what? We're actually going to give this a 10. That's so nice.
Oh, Jesus.
Kai gave them to me yesterday.
What, these?
Mhm.
Bruh. Try it anyway.
Take some, mate. I like wafers. But then there's the nuts on top. So there's some nuts, but then it's a wafer.
I give it a 10. So nice.
If it wasn't for the nuts, I'll give it a 10. But because there's nuts, probably a 9.
Next try.
How much would you have?
3 more, I think.
This is big. Okay, though, I'm gonna guess that's white wafer chocolate.
It's called Simona. That doesn't have a meaning, by the way. It's
What does this mean?
that's just some random name.
This?
That's also a random name. This means something, medinki, but I don't know what.
You don't know what medinki means?
No.
Yeah.
Simona. I'm pretty sure this is just like wafers with white chocolate.
Same.
So I've actually never tried this, and I'm Bulgarian myself.
I got this fidget spinner today. Awesome. I think I'm like a professional already. Okay, I take that back. I jinxed it. Oops.
I am. I'm sure.
But you sold yours. You sold yours though.
I know. Lucky guy.
Why would you pay £6? I bought this for free. How's the... How do you pronounce it?
Simona.
How's the Simona going on? I'm just addicted to these. These are so nice.
I'm addicted to it. This is some thick wafer.
Wafer, not wafer.
Wafer. But it's softer. It's not really a
I know,
wafer.
it looks so soft inside.
That's what it looks like. You
Okay.
can squish it easily.
Straight away, 10 out of 10.
So nice.
I like.
Most wafers in Bulgaria taste like this, like soft and not like hard.
So what is this? I saw this at the shop near Julian's Bulgarian school. One
Wait.
more?
Julian goes to Bulgarian school.
Yeah, he stopped now.
Oh no, there's 3 more.
So far,
And they're
tried,
basically wafers.
so far we've tried Betty, which is my favourite one. Sloko. Mindenki.
Thank you.
Okay, Mindenki. And
Simona.
Simona. And now we've got 3 more to go, and apparently they're basically like wafers.
Just like different types and flavors. Okay. Let's see the next one. You're gonna get... Guess what it says. Try guess what it says.
Taposi.
Nope.
What
It
was
says Troya.
What?
It says Troya. This is T-R-O and ya.
How can you read Bulgarian? Oh yeah, good. Sorry. Why is that dumb enough to
Like-
ask that?
It's like the dumbest question ever.
Please don't be dark chocolate. So another wafer. Just a normal wafer.
Really? But
With a
here's
little
the
bit of
catch.
With a little bit of nuts.
Here's what I didn't tell you. Can you see something like kind of weird in there? Like some really strange little flavor that you don't really understand.
Yeah. Tastes like cinnamon with nuts and ginger. What is it?
It's a weird Peruvian ingredient that I do not know the name of.
Peruvian. I swear that's where Paddington Bear's from. Yay! I name my movies.
Paddington was such a good movie.
I didn't watch it. But this year there's gonna be Paddington 2 and Fantastic Beasts 2.
Next, wafer.
Okay then.
Try guess what that says. This is easier.
More pecha.
What did I say the P is? It's an
Okay,
R.
morecha.
Nope. It's Moreni.
Moreniha.
This is Moreni. No ha. H is N. U is I.
It's so confusing. Imagine they taught us Bulgarian letters at school.
This is with Bulgarian nuts.
So, not specially from Bulgaria.
Made in Bulgaria, mate.
Why is it so hard to break? So it's basically like the no wait wrong. The sloko. Better than the sloko. Better. 10 out of 10.
These are like really popular.
In which part of Bulgaria?
Sofia.
Where you're from?
Now the
I've
last
already talked about
and
before.
final one.
By the way, if you're wondering where I got this from, he owns a shop.
I don't own the shop, but
Okay,
family shop.
Yeah. We sell food from worldwide. That's glitched again. Yeah, okay. Worldwide.
And you should really come. It's an amazing shop. It's called Global Food and Drink at St. James Street.
Wait, do you have a website?
No, we don't.
Okay. Do you have an Instagram?
No.
Yeah.
Oh wait, yes we do. We have an Instagram and a Facebook if you're some old person that likes Facebook.
Okay, I'll try and leave the link in the description down below.
The final one.
I can't read that.
This is from the mountains. It's called...
I can tell it's got some mountains at the back.